फ्रेंड्स, सो ये हेलमेट मुझे ग्राजिया के साथ मिला था एज अ फ्री हेलमेट फ्रॉम होंडा। सो ये आई थिंक स्टील बर्ड कंपनी का है, आई एम नॉट श्योर। जो होंडा के साथ मिला था, इट वाज अ गुड हेलमेट, बट नाउ आफ्टर 5-6 ईयर्स ऑफ यूज़ इसका जो मटेरियल है ये वॉशेबल नहीं है, सो इट इज़ गिविंग मी अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम। सो अब टाइम आ गया था अपग्रेड करने का, सो आई हैव अपग्रेडेड टू दिस। नाउ वेन एवर यू सेलेक्ट अ हेलमेट, मेक श्योर दैट योर हेड इज़ comfortable. So this one is the XL size, and this is the MLG matte finish helmet. So we have only two is army color green, and the other is matte yellow, matte ochre, like the desert storm. So on three colors are there. So as per my hunter, which is black and gray, I choose this one. Also the inner lining is black in this one, in those it was brown. So the price of this helmet, the MLG helmet, is around 2700 rupees, which is I think a very decent price. And the plus point is you can open this and you can wash it and you can again put it back. So it's a washable interior helmet. So that's the reason I chose this one. Okay, it fits my head perfectly, and it is good for city ride only. I mean, not too aggressive riding because it's an open face helmet. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.